Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am gonna be testing 5 long stay transfer proof lipstick with you guys. Now I have picked up these particular 5 shades because these are like everyday kind of shades. You can wear them if you're going out casually, if you're going out for a party, if you're going for work. I'm someone who doesn't like to touch up my lip shades again and again. So we are gonna test these out and we're gonna start from most affordable to the luxury ones, so to actually see how they perform and if they are worth it. So let's get into it. So first and foremost, I'm gonna start with this Daily Life Forever 52 lip shade. This is in the shade Gal Power and the number is SHW013. So I like this lip shade in particular because of its color. Like, it's a very everyday kind of a color, but the most important thing for me is to test if it's transfer proof or how long does it stay. So let's try this one. Well, it looks really pretty and this is on the budget side. Let's test how transfer proof it is, and if it's transfer proof, I'm sure it's gonna stay really long. So yeah, let's just do the test. This is not that transfer proof, matlab ye transfer ho rahi hai, but I would say from the price point of view, it's still okay. I'm sure it's gonna wear out pretty soon, so you might have to do a little touch up throughout the day. Okay, so the next one is from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Tint. Now this is a drugstore hero, like everyone's been talking about its stay, it's how transfer proof it is. So let's try this out, and again this is on the budget friendly side, so let's see if it's worth the hype. First of all, I just love the shade. This is such a neutral, everyday kind of a shade. Let me come a little closer. Okay, so yeah, I love this color. It's a very pretty color for your everyday look. Okay, let's just give it a few seconds to settle in, and then we are gonna put this to the test. I'm gonna take another sip from the other side. Okay, so ना के बराबर का transfer हुआ है इस lipstick का, which is I think awesome for a drugstore lip shade. But again, Maybelline is hyped all for good reason. I think it has passed the test. Okay, so moving on to a little bit to the luxury side now. Another one that I want to put to test is this Kylie Cosmetic lip shade. It is in the shade 301 Angel. Now if you've seen my last video, मैंने ये lip shade use किया था, and I told you that I have used this like multiple number of times. ये खत्म होने वाली है, but again I put this in this video because I wanted to show you how nice of a lip shade this is, and it does last a little longer if you use it with its lip liner. अगर आप सिर्फ ये use करोगे तो maybe आधे दिन के बाद it will go away, but if you use it with the lip liner, it's definitely gonna stay the entire day with a very little bit of touch up required if required. So let me show this how pretty it looks. So I'm gonna use the lip liner first. A का टेस्ट मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ, इट्स अ पास फॉर मी, बट ट्रांसफर प्रूफ का टेस्ट अभी हम साथ में करेंगे. Oh wow, I am pretty impressed. Like, there is not a single spot or stain. मतलब जरा सी भी ट्रांसफर नहीं हुई है, and I think मैंने इसको 1 मिनट भी नहीं दिया है लगाने के बाद. So it definitely passes the test. Like, Alright, time to try the last lip shade of the day. So this is the most expensive one that I have. This is from Dior and it's a very neutral shade. Such a pretty color, like see. And the shade number is 200 Nude Touch Velvet. Oh wow, I just love the way it smells. It smells so good. Time to take another sip. Okay, so it does transfer a little bit, but कहीं ना कहीं मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड था बिकॉज जो ये सिर्फ वेलवेट वाली लिपस्टिक्स होती हैं ये जल्दी ट्रांसफ़र हो जाती हैं. इफ़ यू लाइक बाइंग a luxury lip shade, this is definitely something that you can go for. Alright guys, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. After testing all the 5 lip shades, I would say ki I really like the Maybelline one. I think that's on the top one for me. The second one for me is Kylie Cosmetics, and the third one is from Dior. Again, it's very expensive, so I cannot expect everybody wants to spend that much on a lip shade, but if that's something that you like doing, so I think that's definitely worth it. So yeah, this is my ranking. This is what I feel. Do let me know in the comment section if you feel a little different, or if you want more information, or if you want me to test a particular lip shade for you. I would love to do that. And thanks again for watching my video. I will see you very soon in the next one.